Welcome back to Max with RP. In the earlier video, we were discussing chain rule and problems related to chain rule. We are going to solve more problems based on chain rule and also learn other techniques of differentiation. Now look at this problem. You have y equal to e power bx into cos of ax plus c. Now you can see it's a product of two functions, so I have to use product rule. So dy by dx is e power bx into derivative of this. But this is a composition of the cosine function and ax plus c. So what will be the derivative? Minus sine of ax plus c into derivative of ax plus c, which is a. Are you able to follow? First function into derivative of second function. First function I have written as it is. Second function, if I differentiate, I will get minus sine of ax plus c into derivative of ax plus c, which is a. Derivative of c is constant, plus cos of ax plus c into derivative of e power bx. E power bx is a composition of exponential function and bx and the function bx. So the derivative of e power x is e power x. So you will get e power bx into derivative. I have to differentiate bx, which is b. So you have e power bx is common. I will take it outside. Then I will get minus a into sine of ax plus c plus b into cos of ax plus c. Are you able to follow? So this is the derivative. So it's a product of two functions. I have used product rule and chain rule. Now let us look at the second problem. This is the first. The second one in the page is y equal to cos x by log x. Here I have to use the quotient rule because it's a quotient of two functions. So what is the quotient rule? Dy by dx will be log x the whole square, denominator square, denominator into derivative of the numerator. What is the derivative of the numerator? Minus sin x minus numerator into derivative of log x, which is 1 by x. So this is minus sin x log x minus cos x by x divided by log x the whole square. So here I use product rule and quotient rule. Now look at this. Square root of y equal to square root of x cube plus x plus 4. When you have just y equal to root x, which is x power half, what is your dy by dx? Dy by dx is half x to the power minus half, which is 1 by 2 root x. So this will be 1 by 2. First of all, I am differentiating this whole thing to the power half. So it is like x power half. So what is that? I will get 1 by 2 root of x cube plus x plus 4 into, I have to differentiate this, which is 3x square plus 1. So the dy by dx dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 1 by 2 into root of x cube plus x plus 4. Now look at the next one, y equal to root of a square plus x square by a square minus x square. So y I can write it as, this is the first problem in this page and this is the second problem. Y equal to a square plus x square by a square minus x square the whole power half. So dy by dx will be half into x power n. If I differentiate, what will I get? N x power n minus 1. So this will be half into a square plus x square by a square minus x square to the power minus half into derivative of this. I'll use a different color. Into derivative of what is within the bracket. For that I have to use quotient rule. So a square minus x square the whole square. Then a square minus x square into, what's the derivative of the numerator? 2x minus numerator into, what is the derivative of the denominator? The derivative of a square is 0 into minus 2x. So this is half. Since it is minus half, I can write it as root of a square minus x square by root of a square plus x square into denominator is a square minus x square the whole square. Numerator will be what? 2x a square minus 2x cube minus into minus plus 2a square x minus into minus plus, what will you get? 2x cube. So plus 2x cube and minus 2x cube gets cancelled. So you get, this simplifies to 2a square x. This is 2x a square. This is 2x a square. So I can simplify the numerator and write it as 4a square x. This is 4a square x by a square minus x square the whole square. Are you able to follow how to differentiate? I'm sure. So the derivative is 1 by 2 into root of a square minus x square into 4a square x divided by root of a square plus x square into a square minus x square the whole square. Now how will you differentiate this function? So you have y equal to log 4 to the base x. By the properties of logarithms, this is log 4 by log x. So dy by dx will be, okay, log 4 is a constant. So this is log 4 into 1 by log x. So divide, log 4 is a constant, so you can keep it as it is. This is what? Log 4 into log x to the power minus 1. X to the power n, the derivative is nx to the power n minus 1. So minus 1 into log x to the power minus 2. This is a constant. Log 4 is a constant. So I am only differentiating this portion. That is minus 1 into log x to the power minus 2 into derivative of log x, which is 1 by x. So dy by dx is log 4 minus log 4 by x into log x the whole square. Is it clear? Now what about the second one? Y equal to, this is the first one, now I am doing the second one. Now y equal to log of 2x minus 3 to the base 5. This is log of 2x minus 3 by log 5. So again 1 by log 5 is a constant into log of 2x minus 3 is what I should differentiate. So dy by dx is 1 by log 5 into, what is the derivative of this? 1 by 2x minus 3. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So the derivative of log of 2x minus 3 will be 1 by 2x minus 3 into derivative of 2x minus 3, which is 2. So this is 2 by log 5 into 1 by 2x minus 3. So is it clear how to differentiate using chain rule? So what will be this? This is y equal to log of log x to the base 7. Okay. Now dy, this you first simplify. This is log x by log 7. So this is equal to 1 by log 7, which is a constant, into log x. So dy by dx, this is y, I only simplified y. So dy by dx will be equal to 1 by log 7 into derivative of log x, which is 1 by x. Are you able to follow? If y, now I want to talk about what is implicit function and what is an explicit function. See, if y equal to sin x, then y is a function of x directly, is called, it is explicitly given. The function is explicitly given. But here, when you are given a mixture of y and x in an expression, then we say it is an implicit function, and we will see how to differentiate in the case of such functions. Okay, now you can see it is y plus sin y equal to cos x. So, but we know that if a plus b equal to c, then you differentiate the first term plus the derivative of the second term equal to derivative of the third term. So, that is the process we are going to use. So, y plus sin y equal to cos x. What is the derivative of y? Dy by dx. What is the derivative of sin y? Cos y into, see, when you have sin x, the derivative is cos x because the derivative of x is 1. But here it is y. The derivative of y is not 1. So into cos y into dy by dx. The derivative of sin y is cos y into dy by dx, which is equal to, what is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. So dy by dx into 1 plus cos y equal to minus sin x, or dy by dx equal to minus sin x by 1 plus cos y. Are you able to follow? Is it clear? Now, sin square x plus cos square y is 1. We have to find dy by dx. It's again given in the implicit form. Sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. This one, if you differentiate, it's a composition function. So use chain rule. 2 into sin x square, if I differentiate, I get 2x. So sin x the whole square, if I differentiate, I get 2 sin x into derivative of sin x, which is cos x, plus, again this is of the form x square, so it is, the derivative is 2x, so 2 cos y into derivative of y, which is dy by dx, equal to, the derivative of 1 is 0. So I'm cancel off 2 because you know the right hand side is 0. So cos y into dy by dx is equal to minus sin x cos x. So dy by dx is equal to minus sin x cos x by cos y. So sin square x plus cos square y is 1. So 2 sin x cos x, because this is a function in x. This if I differentiate, I will get 2 cos y into, sorry, I have missed out one function here. 2 cos y into minus sin y. Derivative of cos y is what? 2 minus sin y into dy by dx equal to 0. So cos y into minus sin y, cos y into minus sin y dy by dx is equal to minus sin x cos x. So dy by dx is minus sin x cos x by cos y into sin y. So what will I get? Cos x by, here I have sin x cos x, here I have sin y cos y. So I will get, both becomes positive. So sin x cos x by sin y cos y. So here I had missed. So when you check, it's always better to check so that if there is a term that you have missed, you can always rectify. Now x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. You have to find dy by dx. X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. So first, when I differentiate this is the form x power n. What is the derivative? Nx to the power n minus 1. So 2 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 plus 2 by 3 y to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 into derivative of y, which is dy by dx, equal to, this is a constant, so the derivative is 0. So 2 by 3 into x to the power of 2 minus 3 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 y to the power minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx equal to 0. So 2 by 3 is common, take it outside, right? So y to the power minus 1 by 3 dy by dx will be equal to minus x to the power minus 1 by 3. So dy by dx is minus x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 by y to the power minus 1 by 3, which is same as minus y to the power y by x to the power 1 by 3. Are you all able to follow? X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is a power 2 by 3. I have differentiated this 2 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. The derivative of x power n is n x to the power n minus 1. Similarly, the same thing 2 by 3 y to the power 2 by 3 minus 1, but into the derivative of y, which is dy by dx, equal to, here the derivative is 0. Now I have just further simplified because I can take 2 by 3 outside and the right hand side is 0. I am just cancelling off that 2 by 3. So I get y power minus 1 by 3 dy by dx is minus x power 1 by 3, or dy by dx is minus y by x to the power 1 by 3. So if x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 11, what is the value of dy by dx? So x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 11. So if I differentiate, what will I get? 2x by a square plus 2y, because a square b square are constants, into dy by dx equal to 0. 2x by a square, derivative of x is 1, plus 2y by b square, derivative of y is dy by dx equal to derivative of 11 is 0. So 2y by b square into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by a square. So dy by dx equal to minus x by a square into b square by y, minus x by y, b square by a square. So today we saw some examples in both chain rule as well as how to use in combination with product rule and quotient rule, how to differentiate functions which are implicit. So please practice a lot of problems so that you become more comfortable using all these processes in differentiation. Until we see next time, it's goodbye. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share it with your friends if you find these sessions to be useful. Until we meet next time, it's bye.